Izinhlangano ezilwela amalungelo abantu ngaphansi komkhankaso othi South African Food Sovereignty Campaign sezinxuse ukuthi kube nokungenelela okuphuthumayo ukuze kuqedwe indlala kanye nobubha. Lesiphakamiso siza njengoba kulindeleke ukuthi uMengameli uRamaphosa aphinde axegise imithetho yelockdown nezwe lilingene esigabeni sesithathu.
I-South African Food Sovereignty Campaign ithi babaleka kwizigidi eziyishumi abantu ababelala bengadlili kuleli lengakavalwa izwe ngenxa yegciwane i-COVID-19. Bathi manje isimo sesisibi kakhulu.
Food as well as the lack of income is going to give us a very rocky road going forward. If we do not tackle these two issues, and there are enough answers in these conversations, we do not tackle these two issues, South Africa under lockdown is going to be a very volatile place, okay? We are not going to be able as a society to rise to the challenge of dealing with the COVID pandemic. People are going to be on the streets because of hunger. They're going to be on the streets because they have no money.
Izinhlangano zomphakathi ugxeke nokuvalwa kwalabo ababevele besiza imiphakathi entulayo ngokudla.
The whole clamping down and closing down of food kitchens that are run by churches that have been doing it for many decades and feeding the many homeless that are not able to access electricity and homes to be able to cook the raw food that can be supplied.
Baqhubeka bathi ukudla komnikelo okuvela kuhulumeni nakwisikhwama iSolidarity Fund akuyanele imindeni emikhulu.
We have heard of food parcels being distributed of 1,200, 1,500 and 1,700. When we look at the cost for a household of 7, it is 3,470. So these food parcels are not sufficient to feed a family.
iSolidarity Fund ivumile ukuthi ukudla kwayo komnikelo akwanelisi wonke umuntu kodwa yathi inhloso ukubambisa. iSolidarity Fund ithi isisebenzise imali engaphezulu kwekhulu lesigidi zamarandi ukuthenga nokuhambisela imindeni entulayo kulolonke leli. Mbongeni motsha SABC Goli.